For this video, we're going to cover percentage of an amount. Here, we have a word problem. The sale price of the mobile phone is $450. Letter A. On the first year, price increased by 20%. How much is the mobile phone after the first year? During the second year, the price of the mobile phone increased by 2/5. Letter B. How would you calculate the price of the mobile phone at the end of the second year? Choices are divide by 2/5, subtract by 2/5, multiplied by 0.4, and multiply by 2 and 2/5. Letter C. What is the price of the mobile phone at the end of the second year? Let's work it out. The sale price of the mobile phone is $450. And letter A, on the first year, the price increased by 20%. How much is the mobile phone after the first year? Here, I'm going to show you two different ways to solve this. First is, let's copy 20% and change it into decimal by dividing it by 100. And that is equal to 0.2. Afterwards, we're going to multiply it to the amount. 450 multiplied by 0.2 is equal to 90. It means that it increased by $90 in the first year. To find out the total price of the first year, we're going to add 450 plus 90 is equal to 540 US dollars. So that is the price on the first year. This is the second way we can solve this. Since it increased by 20%, we could add 100% plus 20%. That's equivalent to 120%. Then convert that to decimal by dividing it by 100, and that is equivalent to 1.2. Afterwards, we're going to multiply 1.2 by the amount. So that will be 450 multiplied by 1.2 is equivalent to 540. So on our second method, by adding it by 100%, we will already get the final answer, which is increased by the first amount, and that is $540. Next situation is, during the second year, the price of the mobile phone increased by 2/5. Letter B. How would you calculate the price of the mobile phone at the end of the second year? The choices are divide by 2/5, subtract by 2/5, multiplied by 0.4, and multiplied by 2 and 2/5. Analyzing the choices here, the last here is not a possible answer since it's only increased by 2/5. Then here we have divide by 2/5, subtract by 2/5, and multiply by 0.4. If we are going to convert 2/5 in decimal, that is equivalent to 0.4. And out of this operation, we are going to multiply by 0.4 to calculate the price of the mobile phone at the end of the second year. So our answer is multiplied by 0.4. On letter C, what was the price of the mobile phone at the end of the second year? On the first year, we calculated it. It's now in the amount of $540. On letter B, to calculate the amount of the mobile phone at the end of the second year, we have to multiply it by 0.4. So, $540 multiplied by 0.4 is equal to $216. So that is the amount it increased. To identify how much it is at the end of the second year, we're going to add 540 plus 216 is equivalent to $756. That is the amount of the mobile phone at the end of the second year. Kindly like the video and comment your questions or any suggested math topic for our next video, and subscribe to Hangar for Math. And always remember, math is more than procedures, it's a powerful habit of thinking.